Hey, welcome back everyone. I am going to switch off and do some silver inlay. What I am going to do is I am going to put mother and baby on this piece of walnut. I have the mother and baby, I think I showed you on another video. I have that in several sizes, and that size was just perfect to put on this piece here. I've got some sanding done on it. I straightened it. It's not bad, but it's not perfectly straight. But it's a beautiful piece of walnut. So anyway, I'm going to take it down to 600 grit. I like, especially with walnut that has a more open grain, I like to get it as smooth as possible, so when I trace the picture out on it, it's not going to bump around a whole lot. So let me get going. It's boring to video it, but I'm going to video a little bit of the sanding just because. So let me get the camera set up and we'll get after it. Okay, I got the piece sanded down real nice. I got the pattern traced as much of the detail as I want to. With a pattern that small and the little details, it's hard to put something that's really quite a bit thicker than the line is that they've got on the drawing. So some of it is left up to the imagination, but we'll see how it goes. Get this out of the way, and then I will trace this onto this, and hopefully everything will come out good, and and you guys will enjoy it. And I appreciate you guys all tuning in again. So I'm pretty much done for the day. My lungs are not cooperating too good with me. So I am going to stop for the day and then hit her again tomorrow. So thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, I got everything ready to go to trace the picture onto a piece of walnut. I use carbon paper, and I always take the carbon paper and I wipe it off with a rag to get a lot of that black carbon off. Otherwise it likes to smudge a lot just by putting pressure on it. So let me get the camera set up and I'll trace that off and we'll see what we got. That was quick, nice and small. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Get the light up here a little bit. I hope you can see that. It come out really nice. One thing I have to say is there's going to be 3 pieces, yeah, maybe even 4 pieces smaller than any other pieces I have ever done in silver inlay. The little short pieces, they're going to be fun, but just gonna take my time, and that's one big thing I've got to remember, is take my time. And that's the thing that I tell everybody. No matter how many times you've done it before, still take your time, because I can remember back when I was younger and working, there was things that I had done 50 times a week in the factory for years, and if I get into a rush, I would goof one of them up. So I would say take your time. If you're feeling a little that you're, I don't know how you would say it, that you're maybe goof up, and stop, walk away from it, settle yourself down, and then go back to it. Okay, I'm going to get my tools out and then we'll see how that goes. Alrighty. All right, I got the first part of it done, and it turned out really good. The way I do it takes longer because I don't do it all in one motion to get it down to depth. I wish I had the strength I could do that now, but it's just not going to happen. So let me get the camera set up. I got to get I got to get a vise set up, and we'll get going. Okay. as you can see, I'm using a hammer and then later on a mallet to bring the grooves down to the proper depth. And remember, everyone, get your hiking stick, your walking stick, your cane, whatever you use, and get out there and do some walking, because nature is beautiful.